quality of food that we guys get from here?
Yeah, so the quantity, from what I understand with my discussions with Swabhiman, we feed close to anywhere from 150 to 250 people a day. 150 to 250 individual meals. And there are occasional days when, say for example, it's a festival day but it's a working day, but many employees may take the day off, where the number of plates that are sent out, meals that are sent out, go up to 300, 400.
Oh, that's nice. And then the quality of food that we get?
I'll just say this, the quality of food here is what you would get at home. In terms of the quality of rice, the dal, the vegetables, Intuit takes extremely good care of its employees.
Oh, so how do you feel now, by giving, the food goes into the right place, it goes to the needy.
Yeah.
Some of them might not afford a day's meal, but then
Exactly.
because of few people, they're getting it now.
Yeah, so all I'll say is we are extremely fortunate. We are all part of a big picture, and I'm extremely fortunate that Swabhiman is now able to connect with Intuit. It works well both ways, because Intuit is able to help in feeding so many people. And Swabhiman is the right organization. They take a lot of due diligence, from what I understand. They have vetted out actually specific families who have problems feeding themselves. They work on a token system where only families who have been identified as requiring help are fed the meals. So I'm very grateful that I'm able to help be part of such an organization. And one thing I'll say, one small thing, I always go home and tell my children not to waste food at lunch and dinner, and I can finally be at peace with myself that this is the value I'm living with in life as well.
Oh. So do you have any message across to the other IT companies out there?
Yeah.
This initiative that we have come across.
Yeah, it's certainly, I think the message would be that we live in a very strange city, right? There is a problem of plenty in areas like this, and just across the road on the other side there are people who struggle even to feed their children. And talking to people like Mr. Venkat and Swabhiman can make a huge difference in people's lives without anyone even having to go out of their way.
Yes.
So I would definitely encourage every corporate, every company that is dealing with any amount of food to consider talking to Swabhiman.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Swabhiman initiative. We have been working with this community for the last 10 years or so. Over a period of time, we've realized that a large number of families in this area starve almost every night. It is then that we realized that there was so much of food lying with the corporates that goes down the drain every evening after the food is served to the staff. We decided to approach Intuit, who have very kindly consented to give their food to us on a daily basis. So as you see in the video, by 2:30 in the afternoon, we are able to collect food for about 250 to 300 people. Because we have local volunteers in the slums, we have been able to identify extremely poor and hungry families with a large number of malnourished children, senior citizens, so on and so forth, who without this program were probably sleeping hungry in the nights. Today at about 5 and 5:30 in the evening, we deliver cooked, fresh, quality food to about 300 and 350 families daily. This program is the first of its kind, I suppose, in Bangalore. The whole idea of creating this video is to make people aware that there are large number of such poor and hungry people all across Bangalore, and if we could replicate this by collecting food from more corporate companies, we could feed every single hungry person in Bangalore. I make this appeal through the video to try and ask the CSR department in your company to consider this, call us, and hopefully join hands with us to feed every single mouth in Bangalore. Thank you so much.